My name is Balloon Josh, and I'm here with ClownAntics.com, and today we're going to learn how to make a basic superhero design that can be easily adjusted to create any superhero or any supervillain that's out there. Start with a red balloon and a blue balloon. You want to leave about 4 to 5 inches or about a hand width uninflated at the end. Start with the red balloon. You're going to do a 1.5 inch bubble and then a 1/2 inch bubble, and you're going to do a pinch twist. That's all you're going to do. You're going to do the same thing again. 1.5 inch bubble, 1/2 inch bubble, pinch twist. Same thing, repeat. 1.5 inch bubble, 1/2 inch bubble, pinch twist. Done with the first leg. Blue balloon. 1.5 inch bubble, 1/2 inch bubble, fold it over, pinch twist. 1.5 inch bubble, 1/2 inch bubble, then you fold it over, pinch twist. And one last time, 1.5 inch bubble, 1/2 inch bubble, fold it over, and do a pinch twist. So there you have your other leg. So now we have Spider-Man's 2 legs. Then you're going to put them together, make sure the butt cheeks are vertical, hold it in the front, and with your other hand you're going to rotate them clockwise 1 full rotation so that the colors are matching. Then you're going to twist the balloons together and feed it through to keep it from untwisting, and that's the body. Now you're going to do a 1.5 inch bubble and another 1/2 inch bubble, just like the leg, and now you have an elbow. And another 1.5 inch bubble and a 1/2 inch bubble, fold it over, pinch twist, and then you're going to take this pinch twist and do a split twist by rolling it and then break off the excess. Then a 1.5 inch bubble and a 1/2 inch bubble, fold it over, pinch twist. 1.5 inch bubble, 1/2 inch bubble, fold it over, pinch twist. And if you don't want to do a split twist, you can do another pinch twist here. And some people find it easier to do the 2 pinch twists rather than a split twist. Break off the excess, orient the body forward, tuck the arms down, and make sure that the arm is opposite of the leg. You don't want the blue on one side and the red on the other side. You want it crossed. Then I really like the Spider-Man print heads. They're one of the few superhero heads that I think look good. And then you attach it to the base where the arms are. Face it forward. And now to draw the spider design. You start with just a small diamond. Below that you do an elongated diamond. So he kind of looks like he has a necktie. Then you do 4 quick lines on the side, 4 quick lines on the other side, and that's the easiest way to do a Spider-Man spider. So this is my basic Spider-Man superhero design. And I really like this superhero design because I find that it combines the 2 things that every balloon artist is looking for: speed and quality. We're always battling with, we want a balloon that's really, really quick, but that looks really, really good. And I've seen a lot of superhero designs that are really amazing and intricate and advanced, but also just take too long for line work. And then I've seen a lot of other designs that are really fast, great for line work, but look pretty disappointing. And what I like about this one is it looks muscular and athletic and has a good look to it. Everyone easily recognizes it as Spider-Man, but it's really, really, really quick to pump out when you have a long line of kids. The other great thing about this design is it's easily changeable to virtually any superhero, supervillain ever with just a couple changes. So exact same design, change the color, and now you have Iron Man. All I did, change it, swap out the blue for the new chrome gold, and instead of a printed balloon, I just did a loop twist for the head and drew a face on, because I don't like the Iron Man print balloons. I don't like them. So for Iron Man, I prefer to draw it, but I think the Spider-Man print, those are one of the few prints I actually like the way they turn out. Another example would be a Batman. Batman, same thing. do it all black. It's the exact same design. Just use a Batman print head, and then I put in a 160 pretty easily. Just did 2 loop twists, attached them at the base of the neck, and then just did it out and did, you know, just pinched it to make it hold its shape. And now Batman's got a cape. And so, but it's the exact same design. Another example, my favorite superhero was always Silver Surfer, and especially with the new chrome balloons, looks really, really cool. But again, it's the exact same design. I just added a little surfboard on the bottom, but even this one looks really impressive, but you can pump it out in under 2 minutes, which for a really advanced superhero is pretty rare. Same thing for this Batman. I can do this one in under 2 minutes. This Spider-Man I can do in under a minute, going full speed. So when you have a line of 50 kids, pumping out 1 minute Spider-Mans is very helpful. Thank you so much for watching. All of the products used are listed down below. Please remember to like this video if you'd like to see others like it. We hope to see you again. Have a wonderful day.